Hello students, here teacher Pedro. Welcome to another English session for 6th grade. And before we start with the session, first, what are we going to study? And the topic is number 16. What does an actress do? Or what does an actor do? Before we start with the session, we are going to study some verbs. The verb number 1 is to dance. Observe, to dance. The number 2, to sing. Observe, to sing. Number 3, to memorize. Observe, to memorize. Next verb, to read. Observe, to read. Next verb, to interpret. Observe, to interpret. Next, to speak. Observe, to speak. Next, to listen. Observe, to listen. And finally, to improvise. Observe, to improvise. Now students, pay attention. The most difficult part. What does an actress do? Pay attention to the end of the verbs. An actress reads the scripts. An actress speaks clearly. An actress listens to directors. What do we have in common in these 3 examples? We have in common the letter S at the end of each verb. Important. So now pay attention. Add the letter S at the end of the verb if we use simple present. Number 2, we use he, she, or it. Subject. Let's pay attention again to the last example. What does an actress do? An actress reads the scripts. An actress speaks clearly. Or an actress listens to directors. What is the subject in this case? Actress. And is actress he, she, or it? Yes. Actress is she. Observe the picture. It's a girl. Actress is she. That's the reason we have to use the letter S at the end of the verbs. And the second observation is that the verbs that we study in this session, in the first part, they are in infinitive. We can recognize this because of the word to before the verb. In this example is to dance, it's infinitive, to memorize, infinitive, to interpret, etc. And when we are describing an information, it's not necessary to use to or the infinitive in the examples. We only extract the verb and we have to use the letter S if they are referring to a subject or if we are referring to a subject like he, she, or it, and if we are using the simple present. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good day.